Welcome everyone, welcome to the channel, welcome to live edition. In this video I'm going to show you a rechargeable gaming mouse. This is a rechargeable gaming mouse and I found it is very nice. You can recharge it, there's no need to buy more batteries, and there are no more batteries anymore. You can just recharge it with the Type-C cable. So it is connected to my laptop there, so I'm gonna click there. So this is a rechargeable USB mouse. It's quite good, and there's no need to buy batteries anymore. This is from a company, EARLDOM, and it's quite nice. I'm using it for more than 5 days, not a single problem. It's very smooth and very good. It changes color here, it's quite cool, and it's perfect size. So this is a rechargeable gaming mouse. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.